The Boeing 747 Dreamlifter, also known as the Boeing 747-400 large cargo freighter, is a wide-body cargo aircraft. At 65,000 cubic feet, the Dreamlifter can hold 3 times the volume of a 747-400F freighter. Cargo is placed in the aircraft by the world's longest cargo loader. It is an extensively modified Boeing 747-400 that is used exclusively for transporting Boeing 787 Dreamliner aircraft components to Boeing's assembly plants from suppliers around the world. Boeing Commercial Airplanes announced on October 13, 2003 that, due to the length of time required by land and marine shipping, air transport will be the primary method of transporting parts for the assembly of the Boeing 787 Dreamliner. Boeing 787 parts were deemed too large for standard marine shipping containers, as well as the Boeing 747-400F, Antonov An-124 and Antonov An-225. Initially, 3 used passenger 747-400 aircraft were to be converted into an outsize configuration in order to ferry sub-assemblies from Japan and Italy to North Charleston, South Carolina, and then to Washington State for final assembly, but a 4th was subsequently added to the program. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.